Alright, hindi tayo makatiis. Buksan natin itong number 14. Sana makabawi. Number 19 was a little substandard. Pero tignan natin baka itong number 14 will be better. Okay, birthday ni Ellie to. Always choose number 14. It's a very lucky number for us. And hopefully this brings something. Sana maganda ng kulay ng matas. Yung mga ganun yung gusto natin. Maganda yung gusto natin. Okay, 6 packs. Okay, starting tayo sa taas. Okay, first pack. Let's see if it make it percolate. Okay, sige. Jalen Johnson, Vika Zubac, Christian Braun. Okay, okay, ganda. Jam Masters, Jalen Wells, Jackie Cui. Pack number 2. Dante DiVincenzo. Okay, Jam Masters na green. Nice. Jordan Poole, Evan Mobley, Cam Whitmore. Uy, Mantas Buzeles, baby. Even RC, Alexander Sarr. Ay, ang ganda. Jam Masters, Alexander Sarr. Not numbered. Let's go. Hindi natin muna siya dito sa taas. Pa-display po. Ay, shoot. Masisira yung card. Alex Sarr muna daw. Sharp corner pa rin naman. Next. Pack number na to, 4. Kasi may swerte to. Genesis, please. Maxi. Wala. Ingram. Tumani. Yusuf Nurkic, come on. Bakit sa lahat Yusuf Nurkic? Ito na naman. DeAndre Hunter. Lagi na lang with Shepard. Lagi na lang, no? Ito. Number 4 natin. Medyo malas tayo ngayon na. Uy, alay pack. Buisit. Pero Stephon Castle yan, ha. Matas yan. Not bad. Sana mabenta natin. And the last 2 packs. Let's get it. Let's get something nice, guys. Let's get something nice. Uy, oh. Uy. Baliktad. Uy, baliktad yun. Baka auto. 1, 2. Sa likod ni Jalen Brunson. Tapin muna natin to. Sa likod ni Jalen Brunson. Baka auto yun. Baka auto yun, ha. Sa likod ni Jalen Brunson. Ito malupit. Paolo Banchero. We're looking for silver. Always looking for a silver. And then last. Parang auto yun. And then last one. Meron tayong number na Yuki. And then meron tayong auto. This is pack number 14. Sana okay yung auto, no? This one has a green. Jordan Hawkins, Kyle Lowry, Jabari Smith, KD sa likod, Yuki na naman, Wait, Jimmy Buckets on the green. Okay. Tingnan natin sino tong auto. Right, mosaic box. Baliktad. WSM. WSM. From the Minnesota Timberwolves. I have no clue who this guy is. Big name. Wally Zerbiak. Gawin mong, kulati mo kami. Gawin mong Genesis. Hindi. But, hey, that's still an auto. Wally Zerbiak. Right? Thank you.